Hello everyone and welcome back to Rombaut RC. In today's video I'm presenting you my new set of covers for the Mostrar Cloud. Hybrid line as always, but this time personalized with new accessories and ready for the World Championship in 2025. Hybrid line, this time with our logo. Remember that you can personalize everything from REVOC, from the color of the cover, the zipper color, and of course your logo. And as all my covers, black color, I think that they look amazing and super elegant. So also with the handles, this is something that you can personalize as well. You can choose whether you want it or not, add different bags next to the wing ones, but for these ones I prefer to have them clean, just one handle and then all in black. Here we have some wings and super well protected. I'm just gonna leave them there, but as always, super nice material inside, a little bit harder outside, super smooth inside, and they keep this light weight, which makes them super convenient to transport your airplane around the house, garage, or wherever you need to put them. Very easy to use, especially with biplanes. If you use biplanes, you know that they are a little bit worse, but these ones have a little bit extra space in case you want to put these little like add-ons on the wings from the Mostrar Cloud and the Ultimate Exceed. But apart from that, super convenient, super easy to use, and the material, it's my personal opinion here, but I love the hybrid. I think that it just combines everything you need, super durable on the outside and super smooth, but keeping this lightweight, which makes it very convenient for transportation. So here we have the straps, nothing new, same system with velcros, same material, easy to put in and out, and very convenient to take them around. And then also, this time for the struts, we have different personalized bags that you can order. You can ask them to put them with velcros somewhere on the covers. In this case, I prefer to have like a separate bag from REVOC that has also these like strong materials, and I can put here the wing struts or even other things, like in this case my sun cover that we are going to see in another video. But all these things can be ordered through REVOC Customs, their website, and if you want something specific, you can always contact them through their website.